Namaskaram, dear students. In this video, I would like to explain the chapters, important chapters for the students of class 6 in the subject Sanskrit. Tum Avanam Gacha is one of the important chapter, and in the exercise of this chapter, questions and Ekapadana Uttarada, Purnavakyan Uttarada, this type of questions are not there. So children may find it difficult to answer the questions, so that I would like to explain the meaning of this chapter. Tvam Avanam Gacha is you go to shop. Avanam is shop. Amba Ragesh Kutrasi Atra Agacha. So the conversation between mother and son. Amba, mother. Ragesh Kutra Asi. Ragesh, where are you? Atra Agacha. Come here. Ragesh. Amba Kathaya Kim Karyam Karvani. O mother, Kathaya, say Kim Karyam Karvani. What should I do? Amba. Adya tava tadaha karyalayad vilambena agamishadi. Today, your father will come from office late only. Tum abanam gacha, you go to shop. Vastuni anaya, bring things. Vastuna namavali abhi asti. The list of things also is there. Ragesh, astu, okay. Sudam dadadu, give the bag. Vastuna namavali aham sigirami. The list of things I will take. Amba, mother. Siguru, take. Dhanam abhi naya. Take the money also. Ragesh, Amba, idobi egam vastu sikaravani. Mother, one more thing I would like to buy. Amba, chocolate ichadi galu. Oh, you want chocolate? Valsa, son. Janadu, understand? Adhigam chocolate khadanam swasthaya hanigaram bhavati. Eating much chocolate is injurious to health. Swasthya means health. Ragesh, kevalam adya eva sigurami. Today only I will take. Amba, astu, okay. Marge yananam gadim pashyadu. See the movement of vehicles on the way. Yananam of vehicles, gadi, movement. Okay, you see the movement of vehicles on the way. Anandaram savadhana parangachadu. Attentively cross the road. Parangachadu means cross the road. Savadhanam, attentively. Ragesh, aham gachami. Okay, I am going. Ragesh, Mahodaya, Kripaya edam namavalim pashyadu. Okay, Ragesh, he came to the shop and he is speaking to the shopkeeper. Kripaya edam namavalim pashyadu. Please see this list. Vastunicha dadadu. Give the things. Apaniga, shopkeeper. Pashyami. Okay, I am seeing. Mudgaha ardha kilomidaha. Mudgaha is green gram. Green gram. Ardha kilo. Half kilo. Gudaha eka kilomidaha. Gudaha is jagari. Eka kilo. 1 kilo. Sarshabaha pada kilomidaha. Sarshabaha is mustard, and that is pada kilo. Pada means 1/4. 1/4 kilo. Sharkara eka kilomidaha. Sharkara sugar. Eka kilo. 1 kilo. Didalam eka kilo. Didalam means pulses. Pulses eka kilo. 1 kilo. Sarvam siddham asti. The shopkeeper is saying, Sarvam siddham asti. Everything I have taken. Syudan dadadu tatrastamami. Give the bag, I will keep there. Ragesh, astu kadi rupyagani yachani. Okay, how much rupees I should give? Apanigaha chatvari shadani shashtimcha rupyagani chani. Chatvari shadani 400. Then shashti 60. 460 rupees give. You give 460 rupees. Ragesh, Mahodaya, Neelavarna Lekhani Asti Kim. Neelavarna Lekani, blue color pen is there. Abanika, Am Asti. Yes, it is there. Ragesh, Egam Chokaleham, Egam Laghanim Chadadadu. Give one chocolate and one pen. Tasya Mulyam Abhi Yojedu. Add its price also. Abanikaha. Okay. Leganyaha Vimshadim Rupigani, Chokalehase Dasha Rupigani. 20 rupees for pen and 10 rupees for chocolate. That also I am adding. Ahatya, after adding that, Navatyadiga Chatwari Shadani, 490 rupees are there. Okay, give that money. Ragesh, okay. Panchashadani Rupegani Sandhi. I am having 500 rupees. Swikaradu, take this. Avasishtam cha dadadu, give the balance. Abanikaha, Sarvam Syude Stabidam Asti, everything is kept in the bag. Dasha Rupegani Avasishtani, 10 rupees balance is there. Swikaradu, you take. Astu, okay. Dhanyavadaha, thank you. Abanikaha, Punarabi Agachadu, come again. Okay, this is the chapter. So most probably the first page may be coming for your examination. Okay, from this part, what other questions can come, that also let us discuss. So, Amba Ragesham Kim Kadhedi. What does the mother say to Ragesh? Okay, answer. Abanam Gandham Kadhedi. The mother is asking Ragesh to go to shop. Abanam Gandham Kadhedi. Amba Ragesham Abanam Gandham Kadhedi. Tadaha Karyalayad Vilambena Agamishadi. There one question can come. Kaha Karyalayad Vilambena Agamishadi. Okay, answer Tadaha. Or another type questions can come. Tadaha Kasmad Vilambena Agamishadi. Answer Karyalayad. Tadaha Karyalayad Vilambena Agamishadi. Vastunam Namavali Abhi Atrasti. Kesham Namavali Atrasti. Answer Vastunam Namavali Atra Asti. Vastunam Ka Atrasti. Vastunam Namavali Atrasti. Answer Namavali. Then Kim Adhigam Ichchadi. Rageshaha Kim Adhigam Ichchadi. Answer Chokaleham. He wanted one thing more, that is Chokaleham. Kim Swasthyaya Hanigaram Bhavadi. What is injurious to health? Answer Chokaleha Ghadhanam. Chokaleha Ghadhanam Swasthyaya Hanigaram Bhavadi. Chokaleha Ghadhanam Kasmai Hanigaram Bhavadi. That type questions can come. Chokaleha Ghadhanam Kasmai Hanigaram Bhavadi. Answer Swasthyaya. Chokaleha Ghadhanam Swasthyaya Kidrisham Bhavadi. Answer Hanigaram. Okay, so in this way also, in these different ways questions can come. Okay, only thing you read the question, understand the meaning and write. Marge Yananam Gadim Pashyadu. Marge Kesham Gadim Pashyadu. Answer Yananam. Marge Yananam Kim Pashyadu. Answer Gadim. Kutra Yananam Gadim Pashyadu. Marge. Okay, in that way questions can come. Then word meaning. Here word meaning Amba. Amba Mada. Mada idi arte kim padam prayuktam. Answer Mada. Amba. In the meaning of mother, Mada, what word is there in the skit? Answer Amba. Mada Amba. Then Pida idi arte Natyamshe Kim Padam Prayuktam. Father, Pida. Pida idi arte. In the meaning of Pida, what word is given in the skit? Answer Tadaha. Shigram idi padasya Kim Viparita Padam नाट्यांशे प्रयुक्तम् आन्सर् विलम्बेन. शीघ्रम् opposite विलम्बेन. Okay. These are the अधिकम् opposite न्यूनम्. हानिकरम् opposite लाभकरम्. Okay. लाभकरम् इति पदस्य किं विपरीतपदं नाट्यांशे प्रयुक्तं? हानिकरम्. हानिकरम् opposite लाभकरम्. Okay, this type questions can come from that paragraph. Okay, from that paragraph only most probably the questions will be coming. And one more thing I will explain. Prithivyam Trini Ratnani. That also their slogas are there. Just I will give the meaning of that slogas. Here, Prithivyam Trini Ratnani Jalamannam Subhashidam Mudaihi Pashana Gandeshu Ratna Sapna Vidhiyate. Meaning, there are 3 jewels on earth: water, food, and good saying. Foolish people consider the pieces of stones as jewels. Actually, jewel is a kind of stone only, but people are giving importance to that jewel, and people are not giving importance to water, food, and advice. Okay, that is the meaning of the sloga. So, question can come: Prithivyam Kadi Ratnani Santi? Answer: Trini. Prithivyam Trini Ratnani Kani? Answer: Jalam, Annam, Subhashidam. Kaihi Pashana Gandeshu Ratna Sapna Vidiyade? Answer: Mudaihi. Mudaihi Keshu Ratna Sapna Vidiyade? Pashana Gandeshu. Okay, in that way questions can come. Okay, so if you know the meaning of the sloga, easily you can answer the questions. Next sloga: Ayam Nijaha Parovedi Ganana Lagu Chedasam Udara Charidanam Tu Vasudeva Kudumbagam. Ayam Nijaha, this is mine, Paravaha or others. This Ganana consideration is there for Lagu Chedasam, narrow-minded people. For narrow-minded people, this consideration is there. What consideration? This is mine, that is his. Okay, this consideration is there for narrow-minded people. Udara Charidanam Tu Vasudeva Kudumbagam. For broad-minded people, world is the family. So, Lagu Chedasam Ganana Kaha. Ayam Nijaha Paraha. Idi Ganana Lagu Chedasam. Udara Charidanam Kim Udara Charidanam Ka Kudumbagam Asti. Udara Charidanam Vasudha Kudumbagam Asti. Vasudha Kesham Kudumbagam Asti. Vasudha Udara Charidanam Kudumbagam Asti. In that way also questions can come. Here meaning Vasudha Bhumi. Okay, that is the meaning of that slogan. Udyamena hi siddhanti karyani na manorathaihi na hi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. Udyamena karyani siddhanti na manorathaihi. We get things by hard work, not by desire. Manoratha means desire. Na hi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. Animals do not enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion. Okay, so we get things by doing hard work only, not by mere desire. Desire is not enough. We have to do hard work, then only we will get things in our life, and the life will become successful. The animals do not enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion means if a lion wants to get his food, he should get up and attack animals. Then only he can eat. Okay, simply animals do not enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion. That is the meaning. Okay, next sloka. Abhivadana Shilasya Nityam Vrdhopasevinaha Chatvari Tasya Vardante Ayuhu Vidya Yashaha Balam. 4 things, Chatvari, 4 things will increase. Vardante will increase for a person if he respects or salutes others, or if he serves the old people. Okay, for that person 4 things will increase. What are the 4 things? Ayuhu, Vidya, Yashaha, Balam. Ayuhu, lifespan; Vidya, knowledge; Yashaha, fame; Balam, power. These 4 things will increase of a person if he respects others or salutes others, or if he serves the old people. Okay, such people, these 4 things will increase to such people. Okay, that is the meaning of the sloka. ഉദ്യമഃ സാഹസം ധൈര്യം ബുദ്ധിഃ ശക്തിഃ പരാക്രമഃ ഷഡേതേ യത്ര വർത്തന്തെ തത്ര ദേവഃ സഹായകൃത്. ഉദ്യമഃ ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക്, സാഹസം അഡ്വഞ്ചർ, ധൈര്യം കരേജ്, ബുദ്ധിഃ ഇൻ്റലക്ട്, ശക്തിഃ പവർ, പരാക്രമഃ വാലർ. ഷഡ് ഏതേ യത്ര വർത്തന്തെ, all these six things, where these six things are there, there devah sahayakrit, there God will be helpful. God will be helpful where all these six things are there. That means a person who is having all these six things will get success in his life. God will be always with him. That is meaning. വിദ്യാ ദദാതി വിനയം വിനയാദ് യാതി പാത്രതാം പാത്രത്വാത് ധനമാപ്നോതി ധനാത് ധർമ്മ തദസുഖം. വിദ്യ വിനയം ദദാതി, നോളജ് ഗിവ്സ് humility, humbleness, obedience. Vinayad patradam yadi, from humbleness or from obedience one gets good position. Patratvad dhanam apnodi, from good position he gets money. And dhanad dharmam, from money he gets dharma. Tadaha, and finally sukham, happiness. A person gets happiness in that way. Okay, knowledge gives humility, from humility he gets good position, from good position he gets money, from money or with the money he will do dharma, and from dharma he will get happiness. That is meaning. So question can come, vidya kim dadadi, vidya vinayam dadadi, vinayad kam yadi, vinayad patradam yadi, patratvad kim apnodi, patratvad dhanam apnodi, dhanad kim apnodi, dhanad dharmam apnodi, and dharmad kim apnodi, dharmad sukham apnodi. Okay, this type questions can come. So only you should know the meaning of the slogan. Abhi swarnamayi lanka name Lakshmana rojada janani janmabhumisa swargadabi gariyasi. Abhi swarnamayi lanka, lanka, even if the lanka is golden or lanka is made of gold, I don't like. Sri Rama is saying to Lakshmana, janani janmabhumisa swargadabi gariyasi, mother and motherland are greater than heaven. Okay, abhi swarnamayi lanka name Lakshmana rojade, even if lanka is made of gold, I don't like. O Lakshmana, janani janmabhumihi cha swargadabi gariyasi, janani mother, janmabhumi motherland, mother and motherland are gariyasi, greater than swargad, heaven. पुस्तकस्तातु या विद्या परहस्त गदम धनम कार्यकाले समुत्पन्ने न सा विद्या न तद्धनम. पुस्तकस्था विद्या, the knowledge which is there in the book, and parahasta gadam dhanam, and the money which is kept in the hands of others. Karyakale samutpanne, when a need comes, na sa vidya na tadhanam, that is not knowledge and that is not money. Okay, the knowledge which is kept in the book, not in our brain, it is kept in the book only. Knowledge is there in the book only. And money, our money only, but it is kept in the hands of others. Okay, so these two cannot be used, or it cannot become useful when there is a need. Okay, when a need comes. When a need comes, that knowledge is not a knowledge and that money is not a money. Okay, you may not be able to use that knowledge and that money when there is a need. That is the meaning of the slogan. Okay, dear children, I hope you understood the meaning of these two lessons. Thank you very much. Okay, you understand that once again, you understand, read the slogas, read the chapters, and prepare well for the examination. I wish you all the best.